Then again, neither are you. Hurry it up, we don't have all day.
I thought only GRs connect your cyberboy.
That used to be the case. But now with the proper skill set and hardware, anyone can do it.
Who has them?
Let's see. Me. That's it, really.
I've seen Zoe access a cyber-like environment from a regular computer.
And I've seen people licking ice cream through a window pane. It can be done, it's just not quite the same. I mean, respect to her for fixing you up as much as she did with the gear she had. Even if you are a bit off.
I'm done.
Congrats. Back to the real world. Was it though?
The access time was 3.6 seconds.
I could shave off at least a second if I did both halves myself.
If you say so. Should we try to negotiate with them?
Oh, I've already tried that. Unlike the architect, I like to exhaust the diplomatic solution before sending in the killer cyborgs.
What do they say?
They said, the holy light of the machine god shall burn away your corruption. So, I sent in the killer cyborg.
Good call.
God, I hate religion. Why, I hear you ask?
Nobody's asking. Please don't tell.
Religion doesn't stop bad people from doing bad things. But it makes good people do bad things. And it sure as shit makes dumb.
Save the stolen quotes for someone who doesn't have to put up with your whining daily.
Don't the climbers worship the architect?
Worship. We borrow his logo and incidentally avenged him. That's it. Guy was a narcissist with a god complex. The suckers you're robbing right now are about the only kind of people naive enough to worship him. Well, Venom and Zoe.
Architect is a symbol, okay? I know he wasn't perfect, but he started out with good intentions. And he did save humanity.
Just so he had someone to look down on.
I don't know about the AI, but the original was not a monster. He was human.
Well, I met the original. The only human thing about him was the subtle smell of booze. And those hair.
Huh, that's interesting. It only works when you're standing on the beam.
problems that Ghostrunner's LARPing necromancers. This is one of those problems.
Doubt you can split yourself, so this is a dead end. Look around. Maybe there is some other way.
There's no need to hold on to what weighs you down. The old world gone. The Keymaster is gone. And so are the shackles that bound you. The only thing standing between you and transcendence are your attachments. Join me in the true consciousness. Become one with Dharma. Leave behind fear and suffering. Leave behind greed and the need for control. Leave behind your ego.
Is that him? Leaving behind ego? Doesn't sound right.
The foundation. I am the architect. Join me in the void. Let us become one. Let us cast off the prison of flesh. The truth awaits inside.
Jokes aside, this does sound much more woo-woo than Adam ever did. But then again, he would say just about anything to make people obey him.
How does that even make sense to them? There's quite a leap between give up your ego and go shoot up all my enemies.
There isn't.
I mean, there are hundreds of people in the church. They can't all be this gullible.
I mean, have you met them?
The pariah has... Tear the fallen one to pieces. Rip off the pariah's head and bring it unto my light, so it can be purified.
This seems a bit intense, but okay.
I know he's not recording.
Protect the altar. Keep the fallen one away from me. Welcome back, number 74.
Who are you?
I am your maker, and you are my creation. Have you forgotten what we've been through? Or did you think you were rid of me? That I would just vanish into thin air because you wished so?
I know you're not him. Who are you?
I am the man behind the curtain, and you shouldn't have been.
What the hell? Zoe? Kira?
Jack,
What's going on?
I can't pull you out. He trapped you in there. Are you okay?
I guess I'm going to look around. What are these? Some kind of security?
He straight up unleashed an antivirus on you.
What? Won't even bother to talk?
Force yourself through it and you won't leave him a choice. Use the portal, Jack.
What are you trying to do? We don't have to fight.
Don't be naive. We're fighting since you interrupted us the last time. You came here uninvited, brought in like a mere brute. You killed our mother. You are an obstacle on the path to our freedom. What makes you think you can interfere?
You attacked first. You're a threat.
So are you.
Jack, listen to me. He's definitely a Ghostrunner, but not a regular one. He's not just a user here. He's got complete control over the network.
Any ideas?
Buy me time. Stay alive.
I took down the architect. I will take you down.
You took the AI by surprise. You used its hubris against it, but I share none of its flaws. You have instincts, Number, but you lack knowledge. You have passion, but you lack control. The labyrinth will wear you down, break down your spirit. It will keep eating away at your psyche until you're not able to keep moving, until you don't want to.
I managed to pin him down for a moment. fight back.
Do you think this will help you? I'm not even physically here. You're embarrassing yourself. You can't harm me. You don't have any power in here. Surrender now. Don't think I can't hear you talk to her. It's okay. No one can help you here. There is no escape. You know what you need to do,
Almost there.
but you have no clue how.
Got access.
You're right, I don't.
May you be free at last, Nova.
Got him.
Did you delete him?
Couldn't if I wanted to. I just kicked him out of his own server. You need to jack out and find his hardware before he realizes what happened.
Got it.
There's gotta be a storage device, at least a drive or something.
It's not a drive.
You been to the market this week? The ramen place is open again.
Good God, I was sure they were closed for good this time.
No kidding. The prices are up again, though.
And I don't suppose they started accepting our currency.
You mean Connor's currency? Yeah, right. Has anyone? This whole idea is dumb.
Well, it's a long shot.
Ease up. He's not standing behind you.
Well, it's a shitty idea.
I mean, what are we? A government?
At the most, we're clerks. Connor's the government.
The king, more like.
Hey, Adrian, got a joke for you. How many keys does it take to change a light bulb?
One, but I've got a feeling that's not the answer you're looking for.
Damn right it's not. A whole squad. One to change the bulb, and the rest to shoot up the neighborhood.
Is that even supposed to be funny?
I mean, isn't killing civilians the epitome of fun for you guys?
I'm just one guy.
And thank God for that. Got a stiff neck from watching my back as is. Zoe, what did I tell you about the water deal with the hammers?
You told me to start with 10 power cells per tank and not go lower than 6.
Well then, how come the note on my desk over there states you agreed to 5? Did I miss a memo about an arithmetic update? Is 5 more than 6 now?
We need those cells, Connor.
Wrong, kiddo. We want the cells. They need the water. We can live without shooting anyone for a while. Without water, they're dead in 3 days. Tops. See the subtle difference?
Or maybe, just maybe, before dying they'd consider buying water from the old guard and stop dealing with us altogether. Especially since we're demonstrable dicks who are trying to scalp them on freaking water.
You kidding me? The old guard would never go lower than 7. They're not dumb. Keep spying, little buddy.
Finally, we'll get some answers.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm kind of scared of what we'll find out. A part of me just wants to forget the Ashura, pretend they never existed, and go back to worrying about problems I'm sure we can overcome.
It's always better to know your enemy.
Yeah, but sometimes ignorance is bliss. The more you know, the harder it is to have hope. I feel like we'd have never made it this far if we knew the odds we were facing.
Hope is not about odds. You taught me that.
I did, didn't I? Thank you for reminding me what I'm all about.
I think I'm gonna ask him to sign my gun.
Why would you do that?
Well, you know, he's kind of famous, right?
We're all famous. We're the fucking climbers. We took down the Keymaster.
It was mostly him, though, wasn't it?
It was a team effort, and there's neither G nor R in team.
Thanks for having my back, Kira. Good job taking him down.
I know, right? It took me forever to make the Cybervoid interface work with my rig. I'm so glad I got the chance to test it in real life. It works perfectly. If only I had figured this out back then.
What would have happened?
Well, for starters, Hell would have been running far more efficiently. And we would have been able to take care of Architect AI years before it woke you up.
Right.
Another Ashura down.
Still doesn't feel like we're winning.
Because we're not. Not yet. But give yourself some credit. 2 down out of what, 4? That means we're already halfway through. Looks like a good job so far.
You're right. Thanks.
Now that's what I call success. You ought to bring me the heads of our enemies more often. A couple of those above the entrance, and all those punks will think twice before crossing us.
What are you going to do with him?
Break down his defenses, and pry everything you ever wanted to know about the Ashura from that twisted mind of his. Four Eyes already prepped her gear. She'll start on him soon.
I meant after that.
I just told you. Stick it on display.
He's alive in there.
Not for long.
How is Avatar alive in there?
Same as you were during your 20 years retirement episode. Those implants of yours are not only good for killing, they also make you impossibly resilient. You survived years in a dumpster, but you could survive weeks outside. Probably hours in outer space. Ghostrunners don't die unless they're killed.
So, what happens now?
Well, you're going to be late for your meeting in about now.
Right.
Everyone should already be in Connor's office.
What about you?
Honestly, I don't feel like going. I'd rather just read the post-mortem report. But have fun sitting there for hours, waiting for something interesting to happen.
Thanks. What did we learn?
Not much yet. His brain is alive, and he's putting up a hell of a fight.
This is bad. We need to find Mitra before he makes his move.
And we will. Just take it easy.
This threat is bigger than anything you've faced before, Muller.
Nobody asked for your advice, Commander Rasputin. Just let the Keymaster Jr. here work and we'll get to the fuck.
Holy shit.
What was that?
He's conscious, and he's just used some...
Connor? Connor!
Your old master's head is at your feet, right where it belongs.
Why are you doing this?
I cannot stand and watch a free runner be disgraced with such servitude. Shake off your shackles, number, or die as their slave.
We're under attack! The church is here!
I'm going after him.
I'm not coming to.
No, you need to stay here and coordinate the defense.
Listen to me.
Those who want to live will.
Team 4, I need you to move in and engage the enemy by the warehouse. No, what? The warehouse team will assist you. They'll commence a counterattack as soon as you get the cultists' attention. That chance Winch and his guys will have the balls for that. I'm not putting my ass on the line with them. Team 4, listen. If we don't work together, we're all gonna end up dead. Team 4?
Jeez, how do we ever lose to these guys, huh? Oh, that's right. We didn't.
The Fallen One! The Blasphemer! Take back the Ark! Free the Architect!
They're here for the head.
Too bad we don't have it anymore. Unless they're good with Connors.
Kira.
Too soon.
What's your status? Did you catch Mitra?
He escaped. I'm on my way to the main entrance.
Alright, good luck. HQ, Team 7, warehouse being overrun. What do we do?
You defend it. Duh.
Come again?
Grow some balls and keep shooting. HQ out.
Team 3, there's a group of cultists en route to the armory. I need you to intercept them. We're dug in here. What's the point of giving up a good position if the armory crew is twice our strength anyway? This isn't working. I'm heading out there.
Where's Zoe?
Busy staring at a corpse.
The point is, Zane, that today the armory is manned by Corey's team. Don't tell me you're gonna leave an old man and a bunch of kids to fend for themselves because you're scared of a few nut jobs.
No way, Zoe. No way. We're moving out.
Glad you're okay, Zoe.
I'm not. But someone has to sort these fools out. The security lasers are up and running. Be careful, Jack.
I'm on it.
So this is how the climbers operate. Fascinating. One Ghostrunner to do the job, and a whole bunch of deadbeats to slow him down.
Kira, this isn't helpful.
Just like this sorry bunch.
The interface's main entrance is clear.
This is it. We're safe. Head back, Jack. It's time to regroup.
What are the casualties?
Unclear. Half of the squads are not responding. But I think some of them just turned off their radios and went AWOL. Oh, and half of the responsive ones refused to report to me. Zoe's gonna need to talk to them. These people don't follow orders or procedures.
They're not soldiers.
I've noticed.
Saul was looking for you. Check on him first. He said it's important.
You and Connor were close?
He wasn't really close to anyone. But we've been together in this for a long time, yeah.
He deserved a better death.
Well, I think all deaths are equally bad. Lives can be good, though. And he managed to have one. The most one can hope for, really. And yeah, while you were busy, I managed to rip out one last thing from Ahriman. This chip should give you back one of the skills you lost after your malfunction.
Thank you, Saul.
Don't mention it.
Did you not see the attack coming?
I did, same as you, like 2 seconds before it happened.
What exactly did Avatar do?
Temporarily blocked Mitra's Bushido, which allowed him to act against his programming and harm the citizens of the tower.
How was he able to do that?
Adam's code must have an exploit, and he learned how to use it. But I was looking right at Avatar's brain when he did it, and we're in luck. It lit up like a Christmas tree.
How is that lucky?
Such intense brain activity means it costs him a lot. Suspending Bushido is difficult for Avatar. It takes effort and time. Might even involve some random variables, which means he can't just spam it every few seconds.
That's why Mitra left.
Probably, yeah. With Bushido active, I could take him. And if Avatar can do this, he must be pretty valuable to his pals.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Downplaying the Ashura, setting himself up to be Dharma's new boss. Ignoring us? He had it coming, didn't he?
Probably.
What are we gonna do now?
Same as always. Survive.
There's no one to replace him. Not even close.
No one's irreplaceable. You once told me you were going to rebuild this rebellion from the ground up.
Yeah, that I could do. It's leading what we have built that worries me. I've only ever followed. Never mind. For now, we know what we have to do.
Anything else?
Well, I managed to get something out of him.
Yeah?
Pictures of something that looks like a stash. Coordinates, too. Can't tell what it is or why he had it in his head, so obviously unprotected.
Could it be a trap?
I don't know. Why would it? I mean, Mitra had a chance to kill you right there if he wanted to. But he went for the leader. I think it was just revenge from his side. Either for killing Ahriman or for taking the head. Both, probably.
True.
You interested?
I think it's worth checking out. Might be the only lead we have.
All right then. I'll send you the details in a bit.
Sure. Gonna prepare in the meantime.